What is up, you guys? It's Ed from TechSource, and I thought today is a good day to show you one of our setup tours. This is Bob's desk setup, and for those of you that don't know who Bob is, he is the other half of the TechSource team. He is the one that finds the products for our channel, and it also helps out with the scripts. And if you can't tell already by the setup, he went with a black and white theme. So without further ado, let's start off from the right side. So this baby is called the Yeti, and for those of you that didn't watch the video we did on it, then I strongly recommend you to pause the video and click on this link to watch it now. Bob decided to go with a stunning white NZXT H440 tower with an Asus Rampage 4 Black Edition motherboard that's running a GeForce GTX 780 Ti. If you want the complete list of the parts, it will be in the description section down below. Right below the Yeti is a white drawer he purchased from IKEA, which doesn't have too much in it for now, but all the extra space is definitely nice for the near future. On the right side of the desk are some miscellaneous items. Going with a white and black build, you definitely have to be careful on what you touch because white gets dirty really quickly, so keeping some hand sanitizer definitely helps. We also have our good friend Walter White and some pens. Oh, I almost forgot about this little guy. This is a miniature Android Yeti which he got because his PC is also named Yeti. And on the back, he decided to keep some of the boxes of his favorite products that he purchased. Also on the desk, he keeps his planner where all the upcoming products are written down. Also, it includes release dates, prices, and other useful information that we use for the channel. For peripherals, he uses the Razer products. The keyboard is a Razer Black Widow Ultimate Stealth model, alongside the Razer Death Adder mouse and an extended Corsair Vengeance gaming mousepad. And once again, all of these will be listed in the description section if you guys want to check it out. Instead of using the PC's USB ports, Bob purchased an Anker 3.0 USB hub which he uses to connect all of his devices conveniently. Moving towards the left side of the desk is where he keeps his headphones. Truly one of the best headphones on this planet, the ATH M50Xs provide amazing sound and comfort with great noise isolation. He uses these for gaming, watching movies, and listening to music while getting work done at the same time. When finished with his work, he places the headphones on the Sennheiser headphone holder, which keeps the overall desk area much cleaner. Now for the monitors, he is rocking two Asus PB27AQ 27-inch monitors with a resolution of 2560 by 1440. These become the sweet spot between 1080p and 4K. These also have matte coating with an IPS display, so you can definitely expect color accuracy. Last but not least, you can't sit and do work without being comfortable, which is why he picked up a white leather office chair from Flash Furniture. I honestly think that this brings the entire setup together. Very clean and elegant, and most importantly, comfortable. Anyways, that is it for Bob's setup tour. He and I are really interested to hear what you guys think, so feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you think that the setup is horrible, then leave a dislike just so we know. My ultimate setup tour is coming up next, so make sure you guys stick around if you want to see that. This is Ed from TechSource, and I will see you next time.